this video, we have explained all the details about this hotel, location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests with their guest age review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily